Hey guys, I want to get on here and say hello and give you a daily dose of encouragement. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is beautiful here in Georgia. As most of you know that followed me for a while know that we live in Atlanta area and we love it here. It's a beautiful place and we've been here so many years that it's home now. But that being said, we are from the beach area. My husband was born and raised in the Myrtle Beach area, and we have family that are in Wilmington, North Carolina, Carolina Beach, North Carolina, Myrtle Beach area, and as I said, and of course we have friends all up and down the coast. Right now, we are just saying a prayer that the hurricane that's going through, that our families will be safe and sound. It's amazing. A lot of people don't realize what it's like to live through a hurricane, and I have. My husband has many hurricanes, being from the beach area. But I remember the last hurricane that was so close that I remember that had damage and things that happened to us was Hugo. And if some of you remember the one of Hurricane Hugo, um, on in our pool where we lived, um, we had 6 foot of sand in the pool, but our house was fine. The wind was so much. I think our winds at that time of Hugo, because it hit right McCullumville, right just there at Charleston. It came in, but we got, I think, 115 miles an hour winds. And of course, we evacuated out from the beach. But we evacuated out and went out to my sister and brother in law's home. Um, when we got back, we were so blessed because the pine trees that were around the area next to our community and here and there were like matchsticks that they had fallen. Our place was like here, and when we drove into the driveway, we could not drive in because there were so many trees that had like matchsticked. They didn't hit. How we did not get hit by one of those big pine trees is amazing to us. The leaves on the windows were plastered to the window that we had to scrape the leaves off of the windows. Amazing. Unreal. Well, you never know. When people say they're going to ride out, they're going to stay in their area, they're going to ride out the hurricanes, they probably have never been through a hurricane. I think the worst thing, I think where we stayed was like 105 miles an hour. And they've been through so much and they're out from the beach. They put the shutters up, and you can't see out. You don't have any electricity. You don't have any phone service, or minimal phone service at that time. At that time, we did not even have a cell phone. I don't remember us having a cell phone at that time. But that being said, my family were all in the North Carolina area and trying to keep in touch and that sort of thing. We had plenty of food and plenty of water, and we survived. At that time, I had a animal. I had before Molly, I had Mandy, and Mandy was a black cocker spaniel. Well, she couldn't go with us, so she had to be boarded. Luckily, she was fine. I never really thought how it could have happened. Water, I think people don't realize, yeah, you have the wind, but what can really hurt things and what things can happen to you is the water that comes in after it. The water, the surges, if it's high tide, that's some of the things you need to think about. I guess I'm really talking to you guys that live on the beach. Be safe. Don't take chances. Don't. I remember when the thing of Hugo, when McCullumville, they had this school that they had for all the people to come to, and the water came up, came up, and they thought they were in a safe environment. But the surges of the water coming in from the beach, or the water, all the water, it came up, and they were having to put their kids up in the rafters. And luckily, God was there, that it started coming down, and it saved their lives. It's amazing how people don't think about how things can happen so fast. So if you live on the beach, or you live in an area that they are mandatory evacuating, don't take a chance. Not only that the wind, if it doesn't take your roof, and you've got shutters, and you're thinking, I'm going to be fine, that's that water. The water can really, when it comes up, it's not good. I hope you guys have a great day and happy day. Be safe, be safe, be safe. Think about your place. If you're worried about your valuables, you're worried about your place, please take care of yourselves. Material things can be replaced, but people can't. You guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be safe. I'm sending you a hug, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you prayers. Until tomorrow, I love you. I'm sending that hug. I hope you feel it.